Yep. Currently 12:23, 55 degrees out. We're gonna try to get that thing up on those racks. See if we can get it done.
It's got four-wheel steering, so the rear wheels steer too.
First time fishing Churchill Bayou. Beautiful morning. A little later than I would like to, but it's alright. Oh, how am I missing these hits? It's another hit I missed. Come on. See that wake over here? I wonder what it is. Are you serious? There's a nice one too. Nice bird's nest, man. Ooh, look at that. There's a little red. Ooh, look at that. Reds are going crazy up here. He's over there. Scary. I lost that red. Lost that red. I don't know where he went. Got one. Start recording. Oh, man. It barely came out. Ooh, I had a nice hit, man. What's wrong with me? These fish are active. They're eating, but I just can't get them. I just can't hook them. For some reason, man. Saw that. Definitely a red. It's like they disappear right when I cast it. Maybe I'm spooking them too much. Oh, I had a hit. Come on, man. This is a pretty weird. I didn't know there was houses out here like this. Looks like a pain though to live out here. Looks cool though. I guess this one's like abandoned. I wonder who used to live here, dude. Man, it'd be cool. It'd be cool if like people would like jump it, run in there, look it out, scope it out. It'd be funny like camp in one of those houses for the night, even though I'm sure you're not allowed. We're on the last battery, guys. It might be a 3-day. This might be a 2-day trip, honestly. Coming over here tomorrow. Who knows? We'll see. Start recording. Start recording. Here we are. Super windy today. Much windier in the morning than it was yesterday. Super cold too, man. Man, I left my waders in my truck yesterday and the rain came by and they're soaked. So at least I got these thin ass sweatpants. Oh, we're just gonna have to do it. We're just gonna have to do it like this. Start recording. Oh. Man, these guys are warm.
freaking slime.
Start recording.
Got a little fish over here.
Dude hit it right when I dropped it in there.
Dude, these guys are warm. Another nice trout.
Look at that. I wonder what those birds are going crazy about. Oh, looks like they're eating stuff.
I don't see any blow-ups. God. Look at him over there. Oh, fuck. I scared it. I scared him. Fuck. I scared him, y'all.
Oh, there's a red right here.
Got one. Got one, got one, got one. Yes! Finally! There we go. Finally. It's been a while since I've got caught in a red. There we go. Nice. This is a nice red too, guys. My bad, bro. My bad. Look at that, guys. Whoosh. Nice keeper. Fish number one. Look at that. Oh, look at that.
Some reds over here. Ducks too. Start recording.
Got a little red. Come on. There we go. Dang, that's a fat red, dude. Look at him. Shush. See you later, buddy. Oof, dude, this mud smells like shit. Start recording. Look at that. There we go. Keeper number 2, seems like. Whoosh. Look at that guy. Fatty. Big ballin'. And I already see my next target over there. Get 3. I'm going home, man. I ain't chilling out here ever. After a limit, I'm going straight home. Flay them boys up, just throw them in the freezer. We're gonna paddle up here. Then we're just gonna coast the rest of the way. We're just gonna throw some light casts. Oh, I scared him. I threw it right at him. Ooh, I see that wake. Oh, he's right here. I got him. Start recording. That was an awesome eat. Come on. Oh, I hit him. Oh, come here. Dude's a brute. Oh, I messed up too. There we go. That was a cool eat. Cool eat, man. Can't wait. can't wait to edit that, man. That was awesome. Dude is huge. Look at that, man. Nice size red. I think that's like a 26 incher. Shoot, I'll take them. 23. Oh man, that's so beautiful. This is such a nice day. Man, I can't like state how grateful I am for that, man. Like I think that's the first limit I've had on, I think ever. First limit on reds like ever. I've been chasing this like goal for like so long. Before I started kayaking, you know, I was like always like, oh man, just two more and I can limit out. Because I've never limited out. Usually if I like catch one, I'm just like, I'm fine with it. But man, dude, it's such like a big goal for me. And the fact that I was able to do that back here, one of my favorite places, it's awesome. It's really awesome, man. And right on November 2nd, right? The first weekend of November. It's getting colder. But man, it was worth it. It was worth it. Oh, did catch my limit. Did say I was gonna head home, so it's time to head home now. Man, this is a great video. So glad I recorded and made this trip too. I almost didn't come out, but man, thank y'all guys for watching. And man, I'm so excited for the upcoming winter. It gets a little hard to fish, but I think that's what makes it even more special. When you get like on, you're just getting on bites, especially with deep, dark winter. It's super cold. It sucks. But man, hopefully when this winter time comes, I'll start fishing a different way. And I think it'd be cool to bring y'all along my journey. Well, anyways, thank y'all guys for watching. You know, not really a new year, but man, this feels like a new year goal right here. But yeah, thank y'all guys for watching, man. Shoosh.